Anansi got up, dusted her clothes off, tightened the rope on her waist, put the basket back on her belly.
क्या इंतजार कर रहे हो? अगर आप इंतजार कर रहे हो तो इंतजार मत कीजिए, इस चैनल पे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा, क्योंकि हम लेकर आ रहे हैं आपके लिए 15 जायकेदार स्टोरीज। तो इस स्टोरीज को मिस ना करें प्लीज। कथा श्रृंखला एज अ स्टोरी टेलिंग फेस्टिवल, तो जरूर लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल पे। कनेक्ट टॉक्स, I, the host Pranavesh Shenoy, brings you exclusive 15 storytellers from Mumbai. Thank you so much. Hit the bell icon and don't miss any storytellers from Mumbai. Thank you so much, guys.
I will rock you with the stories I will tell you. I will rock you with the stories I will tell you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anya Saraf from Story Nest. If you're walking on the road and a manhole comes in your way, you jump over it, not into it. Common sense. Shh. When it starts raining, you open an umbrella. Common sense. If you're walking on the road and a stranger asks you to get into his car, you don't get into it. Common sense. Today, I'll be telling you a story about common sense. A long, long, long time ago, there was a great black spider, and her name was Anansi. One morning, Anansi woke up and thought to herself, if I steal all the common sense in the world, if anyone ever needs it, they'll have to come to me, and I will make them pay. And I will become rich, and I will become rich, and I will become rich. Yay! So Anansi went from village to village, town to town, city to city, collected all the common sense and put it in her basket. Now, if anyone wants any common sense, they will have to come to me, and I will make them pay. And I will become rich, and I will become rich, and I will become rich. Yay! But, Anansi thought, where do I keep it? In the kitchen? No. In the bedroom? No. Where do I keep it? Where do I keep it? I can keep it on top of that tree. So Anansi got a rope, tied it around her waist, put the basket on her belly, and started climbing. Suddenly, Anansi started spinning until she fell down on the ground. Anansi got up, dusted her clothes off, tightened the rope on her waist, put the basket back on her belly, and started climbing the tree again. Anansi started spinning again until she fell down. Anansi got up, dusted her clothes off, tightened the rope on her waist for the second time now, put the basket on her belly, and started climbing up the tree. This time, when Anansi was climbing up the tree, a small boy came out of his hut and started laughing at her. Haha, Anansi, what are you doing? You're supposed to put the basket on your back, not on your belly. Anansi didn't understand the logic. After all the common sense was in the basket, not in her head. So she continued climbing up and up. She was almost at the top of the tree when she started spinning and spinning and spinning until she fell down again. But this time, the basket of common sense broke and all the common sense started flying away. Some went to Asia, some went to America, some went to Australia, some went to Europe, and all over the world. When people saw the common sense flying around, they picked some up and put it in their heads. And that is why you have some common sense. I have some common sense. We all have common sense. But we don't have all the common sense in the world. That is why we share common sense. Did you get it? Did you get it? Common sense. Thank you. Hey everyone, please like, share and subscribe to Connect Talks. Hey everyone, my name is Anya Saraf from Story Nest and I am a storyteller at Katha Shrankla.
कहानियाँ हम सब सुनते हैं और सुनाते हैं। उन्हीं के जरिए तो हम असल में एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, जानते हैं और अपनी एक दुनिया बनाते हैं। तो मुझे एक ख्याल आया कि कहानियों की शुरुआत आखिर हुई कैसे? हजारों सालों से ये कहानियाँ हमारे जहन में आखिर बसी कैसे? तो आज की कहानी है कहानी की कहानी।